Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Cooking Time with Daniela. My name is Daniela Oboke. So we are cooking rice noodle today. So these are the ingredients we are using. We're using carrot and pepper, garlic, onion, and the white onions too. We're using this beef we're using and the cabbage. These are the two sauce we're using. This one, I'm using this one, and then this one. So those are the one I put there on the stream. So I will be cutting the carrot and every other thing here. So I'll start with this one. This one. So I'll just pour the hot water inside that, and then yeah. Okay, so this is the rice noodle I soaked. I'll be just boiling the meat. This is little curry, thyme, Maggi, and then salt. I'm using to boil. Since I need the water to cook the noodle itself, so I will be adding water inside. Yeah, this one will be enough to cook it. So yeah. So I'm almost done cutting this stuff. We cut the carrot now, the remaining one, a different way. Yeah, we'll continue like that. I will be frying the beef and the string. This is the beef. I will just fry both of them together. There is no need for me to be separating it. Not that really fried, just to make the thing a little bit dry. Yeah, I will be frying this step by step. This one is ready. Just to take it out. Next, prevent it noise. Okay, so I will be putting the garlic first. Then I'll put the onion. You don't really need too much of oil to do all that. Just this is pepper too. I'll just let it cook a little bit. This one will come last. I'll be putting the cabbage now. I cook this carrot for like 3 minutes. I'll just add a little bit seasoning. I will give this one like 2 minutes. So I just take it out. I already put the water, the one I used to boil the beef, inside. I'm using the same pot I used to fry to cook it too. Just this little guy, the rice very well though. So if you just only use one, you can't even finish one pack. So you just, yeah, because they very rice. I'll keep stirring until I mix it well. It's the rice noodle with the beef water. So I'm putting everything in now so I can stir them together. Uh-oh. Some are falling. Yeah. Some are falling. Okay. I think, yeah, we'll just use this big one to stir. It's spicy. Okay, so the sauce, this is the sauce I'll be using. I already, for the beginning, I show you the stuff I used to buy, the cup I used to buy it. So, yeah, this one is the other one, soy sauce. Yeah, in every store, though. Like, we have it in superstore, even Walmart have it. And Asia line, that's where you usually see those kind of ingredients. Bless you. It's easy, right? This stuff we fry. So I should even cover it for like at least 2 minutes after stirring all the them together. The onions. Yeah, that's the end of the video. I don't have to let the onions to cook. And it smells very good. Very good. Yeah. The rice noodle ready to serve. You can just press any lamb of your choice. Just press a little one and you serve. So we try new thing, and it's very important also you eat healthy. Try new things. You don't have to just stuck in with just one kind of a particular kind of food you like, or just try new thing you like it. And have you seen this kind of food before in a party, Philippine party? But I don't really like to try it, but the time I try it today, I like it. So I had to cook for you guys to see how it look like and then how to prepare it. If you don't mind, when you prepare your own, please let me know how it turned out. If it's possible, tag me, let me see. Thank you. And remember, it's Open Heaven Calgary. Open Heaven Calgary is the biggest Christian event in Alberta. If you live around Calgary, please don't miss it. Hey, yeah, don't miss it. We're expecting you on the 31st of December, crossover night. A lot of people are there. We are expecting 3,000 people and more. Guess who is coming? A lot of artists like Sinach and all that big names, they're coming. Come and enjoy with us. I'll stay blessed.